Hi, I'm Janet and I'm one of the trainers and assessors at Entry Education. If you're looking to take the next step in your real estate career and become a licensed estate agent, then our Diploma of Property and Agency Management is the course for you. Our course has been designed specifically for experienced agents and takes into consideration not only the knowledge you've gained from working within the real estate industry, but also your previous qualification, the Certificate 4 in Real Estate Practice. Our diploma is delivered across 2 full-day workshops and 1 presentation morning in our custom-designed training room right here at Entry Education headquarters, giving you the unique opportunity to learn in an interactive environment alongside other experienced agents. By successfully undertaking each assessment activity, you'll not only meet the requirements of your diploma, but you'll also have the foundations of a strong business plan for your future agency. The course is unique to Entry Education and delivered in a modern and convenient way that is easy for busy agents like you to complete, all in a relaxed professional environment, allowing you to become qualified fast. So take your career to the next level with Entry Education and our Diploma of Property Agency Management. Look forward to seeing you in the classroom soon.